Hello riders, this is Muscle Rider and welcome back to the channel once again. In this video, we are going to talk about magnetic tank and tail bag from Trip Machine Company. So let's start with the unboxing of the product. This product was sent by Trip Machine Company. Website link and link to purchase this product is mentioned in the video description. This is beautifully handcrafted, fully leather magnetic tank bag, perfect match for your retro or neo-retro motorcycle. You can even personalize it by adding maximum of 8 alphabets which can be stamped. You can mount it on your tank, back of your motorcycle, or you can just carry it over your shoulders when you are not riding. Has a capacity of 4.4 liters, allowing you to carry all the essentials. Perfect for a short one-day ride or as an all-time companion with your main luggage. Has 6 super strong magnets that are stitched independently to the main body, allowing them to take the shape of the tank. Ride it on good roads with high speeds or bad roads. Bag sticks to the tank and there is no movement whatsoever. Has small compartment to keep wallet separate from other things. Also gets extra strap so that you can use it like a tail bag. You also have the protection of rain cover with the bag to protect it from the rains. This was about the functionality of the bag. Apart from that, the quality of the bag is super premium and polished. All the buckles and hook looks like they are never going to lose its color and polish. Quality of the extra strap and sling which you can use it to carry the bag over your shoulders is of super premium quality. This was short quick review of the tank bag. Hope I could cover all your questions and hope you found this video useful.
So it's been a couple of times that I have been using this tank bag, and this tank bag was sent by the Trip Machine Company to me, and along with the tank bag they also have sent me the keychain, the beautiful leather made keychain, and the cross, the headlight cross. So about the tank bag, I have been using this tank bag for a couple of times now, and usually for my office commutes as well. I have the main backpack for my laptop and other things, and this goes perfectly well for my tiffin box and even my water bottle. And I can carry my meals, the entire day meals, in this tank bag with me. And also the tank bag can be doubled up as a sling bag. You can put that tank bag on your shoulders when you're not riding the motorcycle. If you can see, I have a microfiber cloth on my tank, and then I have mounted the tank bag. But still the magnet of the tank bag works super strong. I mean, you can obviously see the road conditions in Mumbai, and super stable. It remains super stable on the tank. Even if I'm saddling on the bad surfaces, it holds up really well. So the main purpose of this bag is to carry all the essentials for a one-day ride or a short city spin, something like that. It can even develop for carrying all your essentials or valuables. For example, the camera stuff, the GoPro stuff, if you're vlogging, your mobile, your wallet, with your primary luggage if you're traveling long distance. The cherry red color of the tank bag perfectly suits my Neo Retro Speed 400, which is in red color obviously. You even get the rain cover with the tank bag, so you can use that rain cover when it's raining, but I'm not sure how well it would protect the tank bag because the tank bag is made of beautiful leather and you don't obviously want to spoil it using it in the rains. But yeah, you obviously get the rain cover with it if you're riding, and if the weather turns up bad, you can just pull the rain cover out and use that. So yeah, that was it. It was a short review, short feedback of the tank bag, me using the tank bag. Thanks to the Trip Machine Company for sending me this tank bag. If you want to purchase or if you want to check their products, I will mention all the links in the description. The link to this product in the description, the link to the website in the description. I will meet you guys soon in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.